Jupiter is a delightful small town in Palm Beach County, Florida. Jupiter is a little city with a population of around 65,000 people that is recognized for being upmarket but more laid back than some of the other Gold Coast communities. It's only 90 miles north of Miami, but because of its small town ambience, it feels like a world apart. It's also been rated one of the top 10 happiest beach communities in the United States. The Jupiter Inlet Light is located on the north side of the Jupiter Inlet, between Cape Canaveral Light and Hillsboro Inlet Light in Jupiter. The brick bright red lighthouse with double masonry walls was designed by Lieutenant George G. Meade of the Bureau of Topographical Engineers and was completed in 1860. It was built on a hill believed to be an Indian shell mound or midden, in fact a natural parabolic sand dune. The lighthouse is 105 feet high and 153 feet above sea level. The light can be seen 24 nautical miles at sea. It was painted red in 1910 to cover stains caused by humidity.
It's always you. It's always you. It's always you.
While you're enjoying these awesome drone shots, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell. We are posting videos like this twice a week and we would hate for you to miss it.
Harborside Place is a hip waterfront retail and dining destination with a Riverwalk hotel and amphitheater. It is located along Jupiter's Intracoastal Waterway in Jupiter, Florida. Harborside Place features a traditional coastal ambience and has something for everyone, including wonderful cuisine at one of the numerous restaurants, over 15 national and specialized retailers, the luxury Windham Grand Jupiter Hotel, and live entertainment at the center's waterfront amphitheater. The amphitheater has a roofed stage, lawn seating, interactive fountains, and excellent acoustics. It's the hub of Harborside, a gathering spot for waterfront yoga, after-work live music, and all kinds of family activities. A 2.5-mile-long Jupiter Beach has one of Florida's best dog-off-leash beaches. Carlin Park is a 120-acre beachfront park, very popular with locals and visitors for its range of facilities.